Good morning. Happy Friday. We made it through the first week of Teleschool or school at home. It's been an interesting week. I'm really thankful to have you guys going on this adventure with me. You're being very flexible, being very positive, really trying to get all the activities in and posting them. And it's really fun seeing them and seeing you guys since we can't be together at school. I do miss you guys a lot, and I really do hope you're being okay at home and keeping yourselves healthy, happy, and just making sure to keep on trucking. Okay, guys. So for Friday, I just wanted to start off our day with a morning meeting, and this says, "What is something you know how to make or create yourself?" So that would be interesting to learn maybe more about some things y'all make at home or some things you guys are good at creating. Make or create. So, well, I really like to make food. So, like, I love cooking. That's one thing. And recently, since we've had a ton of time at home, I've actually started knitting again. So, it's fun. It gets your mind off of things, but I don't really know how to make a lot of stuff, but I'm trying to learn since we have the time. So, getting back into that. So, I'm wondering what you guys like to make or create at home, or even things you like to make or create at school. I've seen a lot of people make a lot of stuff in the classroom, so I'd love to hear what you guys say. So you can comment below and share with the class. So the next thing is just going over what day 5 is and what you're going to be doing. So for the reading, it says day 5 is phonics and vocabulary. So you're going to need paper and pencil, and you're going to make a list of words using prefixes with re and un. So I'm just going to write those down real quick so you know what I'm saying. So like, remember, prefix is letters that you add to a base word. So you're going to make a list of words with the prefix re and the prefix un. So re and un. So for example, I'll give you one word. Re is my prefix. Read is my base word. I'm going to put a box around my base word. Prefix attached to a base word, so an actual word that can stand alone if I took the prefix away. Read. Un. So un is the prefix, and I'm going to attach it at the beginning of a base word, fair. So the word fair, like let's play a fair game, that is a base word that could stand alone with or without the prefix. I can add the prefix to the beginning to change the meaning, so now something is not fair. So what you're going to do is now come up with a list. Try to come up with at least 3 words for each prefix. Try to not use my words. Then write a story using the words you came up with. Make sure your story has beginning, middle, and end and has lots of details. Take pictures of each page and upload them to the portfolio, or you could always read your story in a video if you want. So you're going to come up with 3 words for the prefix re, 3 words for the prefix un, and then create a story that could use those words in them. Okay, remember beginning, middle, and end. You might want to come up with a character, a problem, a solution. And then you could either post pictures of the pages or you could read it to the class and post a video. Okay. And then for day 5, for your STEM side, you're going to need, it's called Be an Engineer. So you're going to need a problem, paper, and pencil. So think of a problem in your house. Use the engineering design process to solve the problem. This will be fun. So, ask, imagine, plan, create, and improve. Those are the steps. Get feedback from your families and use it to improve your solution. Take photos of your work and then upload it. So, we've used the engineering process in class before, and so I wanted to show you what that all is. So, at home, you might have a problem with how something works, or maybe something keeps falling apart or something's not working right. Could be anything. So the first step is you're going to ask the problem. So like, what's the problem in your house? Like, oh, this door keeps creaking, or this picture keeps falling off the wall. Something. Like, ask the problem. What is the problem? Once you have the problem, you want to imagine, that's the next step, imagine all the solutions you can come up with. Sometimes we also call this brainstorming, this stage. So imagine or brainstorming, it's the same thing. You're going to come up with everything, any idea. It could be like the most ridiculous thing you've ever come up with, or it could be like the best thing you've ever come up with. I don't know, just everything. After you imagine, then you get to the planning, and planning is where you're going to take most of your time. So planning is when you go through your brainstorming and you really pick, okay, what plan can I, like, which idea can I actually do? What materials am I going to need? How am I actually going to do this? What are the steps I need to take? So on and so on. So the planning time should really be taking most of your time, because you really want to get down to the details of like, how are you actually going to fix the problem? And then you're going to create. So then you might create the actual solution. Maybe you are going to actually create something to fix something, or you could create, like, write down the plan. So you're just going to make it. And then the last part is the improve. So you want to share your plan and you create whatever you created with your family, and then like present it to them, and then get their feedback. What do they think? What's a grow? What is a glow? And then take that feedback and kind of use it to maybe improve your solution. Okay. So if you have any questions about this one, you can always message me. But I hope you have fun maybe solving a problem in your home using the engineering design process. Besides that, friends, that's it for Friday. Just keep reading, keep dancing, talking, having fun, be happy, be healthy, communicate with me whenever you need to, and have a great weekend after this. And I will stay in touch. Bye, guys.